The Nissan Rogue's infotainment system integrates navigation, audio, climate control, and smartphone connectivity into a central touchscreen interface. Resets are essential for resolving glitches, but understanding the types is key. A reboot or soft reset clears temporary memory without deleting data, often fixing minor issues like unresponsive screens. To reboot, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. A factory reset wipes all user data and settings, restoring the system to its default state. Access this via Settings, then System, then Factory Reset, and enter your PIN if set. Regular software updates via the My Nissan app can prevent many issues. Remember to back up important data before performing any reset to avoid data loss. Keep in mind that resets are not cures for hardware failures. Professional repair is needed for issues like cracked screens. If a simple reboot doesn't solve the problem, try a factory reset, but remember to back up your data first. For touchscreen issues, Diagnostics mode can help identify error codes. To enter diagnostics, press and hold the volume up, enter buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. Persistent problems like Bluetooth drops might indicate hardware issues, such as faulty capacitors, requiring dealer-level diagnostics and potential repairs. User reports show that resets are effective for approximately 70% of reported issues, especially after failed OTA updates. Expert opinions suggest that while resets are helpful short-term solutions, proactively installing updates and seeking professional help for persistent issues is important. Check online forums like r/Nissan for community solutions and common error codes.